Hello. I want to add a shield to the player. Um, let's go to lower arm L and add a socket. Let's call it shield socket. Let's get that socket. Let's preview animation. I don't know if we have a shield animation. Um, well, that's on a preview asset just in general. SM shield. Okay, it comes kind of close to their arm. It's backwards. Oh, okay. So player character. Let's go to let's spawn the shield in. We need a shield actor. Weapons. Create a shield folder. Blueprint class actor. Shield. Enter static mesh. Shield static mesh. SM shield. SM shield. I want this to be shield. Spawn transform. Let's get this node. This is shield socket. I'm sure that's what it was, right? Shield socket, yeah. Plug that in. We want this shield socket here. And let's see what we look like. We have a sword and a shield. It's just a female character. She kind of holds her shoulders out a little. I think like maybe like a girl would stand. Um, if she were like a countess, right? So this shield also has that collision blocking. Um, so that's like that. So that was adding the shield actor to the character and creating the shield actor itself. Thank you.